Hello friends, the world is passing to the second wave of corona. Unfortunately, in the second wave, the coronavirus target population is slowly shifting towards the pediatric population, to the children. That is one of the sad tendencies of the corona. So in this scenario, the whole world, there is an increasing tendency of the pediatric population getting affected. So let us look at the recent updates on why the pediatric population possibly is getting affected and is there any way out of this situation. This is Dr. Murali Bharadwaj, a medical teacher, physician. Children account for 22% of the new cases in America, the COVID cases. Why is that? Nearly around 71,649 children out of total of 319,601 cases. Around 22.4% of new cases, which are reported in the past week across America, turned out to be pediatric COVID cases. If we compare the pandemic, throughout the pandemic across America, the highest number of cases happened in the age group of 18 to 24 till now. But of late, the pediatric cases are on a rise. The main reason is this new variant of the coronavirus, B.1.1.7. B.1.1.7 is becoming dominant. It is more transmissible, and unlike its earlier variants, which were not affecting pediatric population, this variant B.1.1.7 is affecting even the pediatric age group. And in the pediatric population, there is a new tendency of long COVID. Some kids have fatigue and other symptoms for longer, for almost 6 to 12 months. But fortunately, the pediatric death is fairly rare. In America, though there is a rise of the number of COVID-19 cases in pediatrics, still now only 600 pediatric deaths have been reported. Now the good news. Pfizer has submitted their data to the FDA last month. And in the coming weeks, the vaccine for the pediatric population is going to get approved. That can be given until the age of 12. The moment it comes, then we can be able to conquer our little tiny tots from getting attacked by the coronavirus. Please subscribe to this channel to get the medical updates, the medical news, the patient education videos, and everything to keep you healthy, safe, and fit.